Hello everyone and welcome to BoloForms tutorials. In this video, I'll show you two ways on how to track the status of the approval request for each Google Form submission. The first method is the dashboard method. Open your Google Form and head over to the add-on. You'll find an option of dashboard. On clicking it, you will be redirected to the BoloForms dashboard, and from there, you can check the status of each Google Form submissions. You can also request more info, revert back the status, and resend the approval request. Now, the second method is the Google Sheet method. Besides the dashboard, you will find a Google Sheet button, and on clicking it, you will be redirected to the Google Sheet linked to the form. This will contain the approval status along with the form response of each Google Form submission. Thank you.